Hey guys, get ready with me to go to a pool party. I used this curling iron, Remington, to get these curls. So I'm just gonna use hairspray and some hair oil serum stuff that I have just lying around. Really nice day out. It's like 74 degrees, which is nice. So I'm gonna do like 3 or 4 pumps of this. It's from Pakai brightening serum. And we'll just see. Oh, I forgot to take my clips out. Okay, let's do the back first. Okay, I just want to like pull it a bunch. My bangs are so short right now. I have a lot of hairspray. Okay. Guys, I never. Oh, I got on my stomach. I never use hairspray. Again, just piece it. I think you guys can see this. It's so big. I love it. But it's so girly. Okay. Dang.